few minutes later.
Morning everyone, we are the group 3. So for today, we'll be doing quiz B, it's spelling bee, which is when you got the spelling wrong, I will be pushing your head into the flower. Okay? And now Mr. Cameraman will provide the words for us. Okay?
A few moments later.
First question is for Shaari. Spell us the word number.
Number.
Basic.
Okay, you pass. Next. For the second question for you is spell letters.
L-E-T-T-E-R-S.
Mali.
L-R-T-L-I.
Mali. Wrong. Face the consequences. No, face the consequences.
Letters. Ay, letters mo.
Sige na!
Face the consequences. Next question is for Jamaica. Spell photosynthesis. No! Spell it or face the consequences. Wow. Fast defeat.
We have common sense.
Next question is for Reza. Can you please spell us the word blessing? May kulang?
Amazing!
Ah, spell! Spell. Correct. Next. Ah. Can you please, Berkis, spell the word crocodile? Correct. And now, for Jamila. No. Can you please spell the word, ano kaya? Chlorophyll. Fast defeat. Okay, Shari. Back to Shari. Can you please spell the word 52? 52. Wow. Okay, you again. Can you please spell the word, ano kaya? Business.
B-U-I.
Mali! Consequence! Okay. Back to Jamaica. Can you please spell penguin? Ayun no, nasa damit mo na yung penguin. Yan no. Kaya nga, ano ba yung nasa damit mo? Penguin no. Ngayon spell mo na. Wala! Ang daya. Okay, Reza. Can you please spell tree? Yung puno, tree. Correct. Now, Berkis, can you please spell table? Table. Okay.
Why is it so unfair?
No. Jamila, can you please spell t-shirt?
T-S-H-I-R-T.
Correct. Hoy, sino yung una? Bobet ka nandito. Okay. Shari, can you please spell sunglasses? Sunglasses. Oh no! Okay. Can you please spell slippers? Slippers. Wrong. Slippers. Yung sinusot mo sa paa mo.
Ano nga? S-L-E-E-P-E-R-S.
Mali. Paul ba? Okay, next questions. Jamaica. Can you please spell veil? Veil, yung suot mo ngayon.
V-A-I-L.
Correct. Okay, Reza. Can you please spell ano kaya? Flag. Correct. Okay. For you, Berkis. Ano kayang ano? Can you spell supercalifragilisticexpialidocious? Okay, Jamila. Can you please spell don't mind plastic? Correct.
A-I-R-I-E-N.
How dare you? Okay. Okay. Last round. For Shari. Can you please spell window?
Window.
No! No, bawal na. Bawal. Ulit. Hoy, ulit.
Narinig ko W-I-A-N-D daw.
Ano ulit?
W-I-A-N-D.
Okay. Mali spelling. Polbo. Prank. Okay. Next. Spell mo naman. Chair.
C-H-A.
Again. Sorry. Again. Chair.
C-H-A-I-I.
Correct. Okay. Next, for Jamaica. Can you please spell plants?
P-L-A-N-T-S.
Correct. Reza. Can you please spell beautiful? Hindi ko marinig, be.
Lakasan mo.
Okay. Next question. For you, Berkis. Ano kaya? Can you please spell field? Correct. Last round. For Jamila. Can you please spell board?
B-O-R-E.
Correct.
Wait, ano?
Yung board, yung tinatamad or parang nawawalang konsensya. Okay.
Uy, nahiwag.
For our video, thank you for watching. And once again, we are the Group 3.
Much later.